So hi you guys, it's Jimmy Baby, and today, if you can hear what I'm saying, I'm going to make a homemade pizza, and I'm going to use this crust, and it's from Pillsbury, and I'm going to use some cheese. This is like a 3 cheese blend, and I'm going to use some Prego sauce. It's a pizza sauce. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and watch me make my pizza. So the first thing that we're going to do is try to open this pizza. Now let's look at the instructions to do it the proper way. How do we open this? The directions is to heat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease any size dark or non-stick cookie sheet. We're going to use whatever we have. So if you have a non-stick sheet, that's cool. Unroll the dough on a cookie sheet and form to desired thickness and shape. So it doesn't have to be like a square. It could actually be like a regular pizza circle. That's what I like. This is like the classic crust. So I don't know how I'm gonna get it open. So you know I'm a little, like I'm okay. Like I could cook and stuff like this. What? Peel and pop. So they want us to peel and pop it. So let's try to peel it, guys. So I guess that's someplace up here. You can see. So we're gonna peel it, and then, oh, I just popped it. Look at that. Yep. So we're gonna unroll this and form it into the shape that we want. So I didn't want to get my hands all messy and stuff, but if you guys looked before, I did wash my hands. So I'm gonna unroll it and form it into a shape that I want. So I'm gonna look for like some kind of something to hold it up. It's actually bigger than I thought. So look at the dough, y'all. Usually, I think, oh, yeah. Look at that. Can unroll it. It's so neat. Oh my god, it's a big pizza. I didn't know this pizza was this big. I thought it was really smaller than this. So I really unanticipated what was going on or what was going to happen. So, I'm just going to spread it out the way that I want. But they said like, based on the thickness that I want. Look at this. It's so thin. You could have a thin crust pizza. But I prefer a thicker pizza. And I want it like in a round shape. So I'm going to form it into a round shape. So guys, I've made pizzas before, but I've never like did like a homemade one where you could just get it straight out the can or whatever. I didn't do that. Never did it. So Pillsbury is going to allow us to do that. So I am going to form it into the shape of this container, just because I want my pizza nice and thick and delicious. Let me form it to this shape here. So I just wanted to be like a nice little neat pizza in the round of a nice personal pan pizza, you know. So this is gonna take a little while. I wanna like prepare it for you guys on this video for like less than 15 minutes. I don't want to like bore the heck out of you guys. So look. So far, this is how it looks. It's just like a little pizza pie. Oh my gosh. So I want it to be nice and thick. I like thick crust. It's already greasy, as you can see. Some of it went on my arm and it went like greasy, really, really greasy. So this is gonna be like a thick pizza, and I like thick pizza. Pizzas. That's how it looks. So what else are we going to do? So I'm just gonna take this spoon and this Prego sauce. I'm gonna try open it and then spread it on there like so. So I'm putting like a lot of sauce. I love tomatoes. I'm gonna spread it around. Spread the tomato sauce around. Oh crap, I dropped some on the table. Ew. So now I'm gonna sprinkle some cheese onto my pizza. I like it cheapy, so I'm gonna put a lot of cheese. So guys, you basically have the option to pre-bake the dough, but I choose to do it differently. I just wanna bake it all one time. So instead of pre-baking it, like putting it on a sheet for like 6 to 8 minutes so that it could actually bake, and then top it, like put the toppings on and then bake it for another set of minutes. I'm just gonna let it bake for like 60 minutes or something. So wait and see when the pizza is done, guys. So you guys, I'm just waiting until the pizza is done. Don't worry, my hands are clean and I can't wait until I take the pizza out of the oven and slice it and eat it. But I really wanted to put some meat on it, but I'm gonna try like just the cheesy pizza like right now. So yeah. So I just set the timer, you guys, and now it's on about like 15 now, so we're just waiting while the pizza's done. So guys, as you can see, this is like a picture of my pizza that I took with my camera. So I just want you guys to like really see the whole creative process of me making this pizza. So my pizza is done and I just love how it smells. It has that real pizza smell to it. So I'm gonna slice it in a few and then I'm gonna share it and show you how it tastes, and you know, let you guys know if I like the crust from Pillsbury. So let's do some of the cheese. Good. So guys, that ends this video on me making homemade pizza, and it was so good. You guys should have tasted it. So thanks for watching and see you later.